A fusion of RWD and AI is revolutionizing patient recruitment, yet its implications remain contentious. Clinical trials face persistent hurdles in assembling diverse, representative patient groups, but combining real-world data, RWD, with advanced machine learning, ML models, offers a transformative solution. This article explores the critical factors defining meaningful patient cohorts, evaluates RWD sources, and highlights ML techniques that enhance patient identification and recruitment efficiency. Case studies demonstrate how RWD and AI-driven tools accelerate trial timelines and promote inclusivity. The analysis underscores the necessity of integrating multiple data sources with customized ML algorithms to overcome recruitment barriers, reduce costs, and ensure clinically generalizable results. This integrated approach is poised to redefine clinical research standards, enabling faster, more equitable access to therapies. The imperative of appropriate patient cohorts. Well-chosen cohorts improve trial validity, shorten timelines, and align with regulatory expectations for real-world applicability. A 2019 study revealed that automated eligibility prescreening reduced screening time by 30% to 35%, increased candidate matches by 15%, and boosted consent rates by 10% compared to manual methods. A diverse patient population is essential to generate statistically significant results, confirming treatment safety and efficacy across age, gender, ethnicity, and clinical profiles. Meaningful cohorts include underrepresented groups, gender, elderly, minorities, patients with comorbidities, and are studied to address equity and enhance treatment relevance. Properly defined cohorts also lower screen failure rates, streamline enrollment, and accelerate study completion. Patient cohort selection. Key considerations. Factors influencing patient selection include clinical, geographical, awareness, and demographic parameters. Assigning appropriate weights to these parameters helps researchers determine trial suitability. Pharmaceutical companies can prioritize factors like clinical eligibility and access when selecting patients for specific therapies. For instance, in rare disease RWD selection, higher weight is assigned to clinical eligibility and access, as these factors significantly impact trial success. RWD sources. Expanding the patient picture. Traditional recruitment methods are slow, costly, and inefficient, often leaving trials struggling to enroll enough eligible and diverse patients. RWD provides a richer, more comprehensive view of patient populations, reflecting real-world demographics and clinical realities. Combining RWD sources such as electronic health records, EHRs, claims data, registries, pharmacy data, wearables, and patient-generated data offers a holistic understanding of disease prevalence, patient characteristics, and treatment patterns. 3. RWD adoption in clinical research. The following charts illustrate RWD's growing presence in clinical research, categorized by region and therapeutic area. Global data reports that oncology accounts for 34% of RWD/RWE studies, while the central nervous system fields represent 12% and cardiovascular indications 10%. 4. China leads in geographic distribution, with 30% of global RWE trials, followed by Italy, Germany, the US, and Japan. 4. Strategic integration of RWD sources. Combining RWD sources like EHRs, claims, wearables, and lab data enhances patient identification precision and recruitment efficiency. In oncology and complex therapies, where patient heterogeneity and dynamic disease status are common, multi-source integration is vital. 5 to 8. Potential solutions for recruitment efficiency. Data source combinations such as EHR and claims data, EHR and patient-reported outcomes, hospital data with wearables, and EHR and lab data are effective for optimizing recruitment. These strategies reduce pre-screening failures and enable rapid exclusion of ineligible patients before outreach. 7.8. Machine learning for patient pre-screening. ML models help identify patterns that predict which patients are most likely to benefit from or meet trial criteria. Integrating EHRs allows real-time access to comprehensive patient data, including medical history, diagnoses, and treatments. Model algorithms and their purposes. Different algorithms serve distinct roles. Examples include predictive modeling, natural language processing, ensemble methods, and deep learning. 9 to 11. Real-world applications of RWD-ML. Pharma companies are leveraging RWD and ML to enhance patient quality in trials. Examples include AI-powered tools that streamline recruitment and retention. Recommendations for adoption. Pharmaceutical companies should combine RWD sources like EHRs, claims, and wearables to gain accurate insights into patient profiles. ML algorithms, including predictive modeling and NLP, should screen, identify, and prioritize candidates while predicting retention and diversity. 13 to 15. Addressing equity and compliance. Weighted evaluations of factors like clinical eligibility, demographic diversity, and geographic access ensure cohorts reflect real-world populations. AI tools must comply with regulatory guidelines to minimize risks. Future implications. As AI and RWD integrate, debates arise about data privacy, ethical considerations, and the balance between innovation and regulation. How might these advancements reshape clinical research? Conclusion. The synergy of RWD and AI holds promise for faster, more inclusive trials, but its success depends on addressing ethical concerns and ensuring equitable access. As the healthcare landscape evolves, stakeholders must navigate these complexities to advance patient-centric research.